Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to get started on Clickbank, and I'm pretty much going to be going over the two best ways. I believe personally these are the two best ways you can get started with promoting products on Clickbank and ultimately making money on Clickbank. So before I really get into this video, if this is the first video you're seeing on this channel, I talk primarily about affiliate marketing, how to promote products online, different ways of making money online. So if that is a thing that interests you and you want to learn more about that, be sure to hit the subscribe button right below this video, and be sure to hit the bell icon to get notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's talk about Clickbank. So Clickbank is a site that I've talked about a few times before on this channel. It's a very well-known marketplace, and currently right now I am logged into the I'm actually on the affiliate marketplace page. Pretty basically, if you go to clickbank.com, which is when you go to clickbank.com, you'll be brought to this home page here. You could create a free account here. You just click that button and you go through the, you just enter in some basic information that it'll ask you, and then you could log into your account. And then from there, you can go over to Affiliate Marketplace, and this is where you could choose to promote products off of this platform. So as I mentioned in previous videos, there's plenty of different niches that you can consider going into. E-business, e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile. I mean, the list pretty much goes on with Clickbank. There's tons of different niches that you could choose to really get into. For instance, if I wanted to get into the, if I want to promote products in the health and fitness niche, I can click on this tab here, and this will bring up a list of products that they currently have available. So they got different offers available here. And what I personally like to do when I look for Clickbank products is I like to click right here, sort results by. You just click on this little drop down menu, and you select the option that says gravity. When you click on this, it'll show the products that are currently doing a lot of volume. A lot of people are selling them. And this actually means that there is a lot of money to be made. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions is that if there are tons of other people promoting the exact same thing, well, wouldn't it be harder for someone like myself to get started if the product is likely overly saturated? And that can be true to a certain extent, but ultimately, as long as you really find a way to really promote it consistently, then you really should have no problem getting long-term consistent results, as long as you are able to model exactly what is currently working for those that are doing well with promoting products online. So it really comes down to really learning how to do affiliate marketing effectively, and really you have to have a long-term mindset when you are doing this. You cannot just be someone that is dipping their toes in the water and hoping that if they send a bunch of random clicks to a specific link, that you'll just end up making money overnight like that. You just cannot have that that lottery ticket mindset. You got to have a long-term mindset with anything you do. But anyways, how this works is you got the different products here. I could choose to check them out by just clicking on the link and viewing the sales page that way. Or if you are currently logged in and you want to promote, say like let's say the Heike diabetes remedy. So this, if I were to promote this product, for each sale that I would make, it would pay around $32.41 there. And it shows an average rebill total is about, let me see that. Looks like that is about $85.09 per month. So this means that they have some sort of recurring program inside where as long as they remain a customer, then you would continue to get around that amount each time, is every single month, as long as they remain a customer. But if I wanted to promote this product, I would just click on the promote button, and you just click on the generate hop links button. In my case, I'm not currently logged in, so it's not generating me a hop link, but I could just enter my username here, click generate hop links, and then it would give me my affiliate link where I could choose to send people to this offer right here. And then anytime someone goes to that particular link and buys the product, then you would get paid a commission. So right now it's loading up the little sales video from it. And then let me, so right here it's got the video playing. If I want to hear the sound, I could just click right there. In that case, I'm not going to do that, but once I finish watching the video, I could choose to actually check out the program. So in this case, it looks like the button to actually buy that product doesn't show up until the video is actually finished. Some sales pages are like that, where you have to actually watch the entire video all the way through to, see the actual, button to buy the product. But anyways, that's kind of how it would work. Someone would, they would get to this page, they would watch the video, and if they're interested in, learning more, they want to actually, dive in and check out the actual product themselves, they can choose to buy the product by clicking on like the button or the link that would appear right below this video. And when they buy that, you would then earn a commission. Now the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting these products off of Clickbank? Obviously, the thing that you really want to avoid doing is you don't just want to send people straight to this sales page here. You don't want to just expect to send a bunch of clicks over to this video and expect people to just buy it right away, because people generally don't buy like that. Typically, it takes multiple exposures to this particular offer for someone to actually want to buy the product. So sending people to this page alone isn't going to really do anything, especially with the amount of competition that's really out there. You really have to understand how to really fully stand out. So there's really two ways that you could actually go about this when it comes to promoting products online. You could either choose to do free organic traffic methods like YouTube, or you could build up a website, or you could do Facebook. I personally recommend that if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing at all and you want long-term success, and especially if you are on a rather low budget, I highly recommend that you start up a YouTube channel at least, or maybe a website as well. You could do that, alternatively. But I think YouTube is by far one of the best platforms to really get started with, because YouTube, remember this, it's like it is a search engine, much like Google. People go on YouTube to look up certain things, how to get into better shape, how to make money online, how to, like what other niches are in here, how to improve your relationships, how to do, cooking, how to, anything really. People are constantly looking up things into YouTube, just like with Google. And if you can actually get videos ranked into the Google search, not the Google search engine, the YouTube search engine, you can get lots of videos ranked up, and you can build up a large following of people. Then this can be some of the best traffic that you can get for pretty much anything that you're promoting. If these people, that they see that you're putting out lots of value out there, they see that you're putting out lots of content very consistently, then these people are generally going to be much more interested in buying whatever it is you recommend, rather than the average person who just wants to spam their affiliate links and hope that someone just buys their product right away. That's kind of what most people are doing. They're just kind of going in for the sale right away, and that's just really not the way that you really want to go about it. But YouTube is one way you can go about it. You could start up a YouTube channel, and keep in mind, a YouTube channel is completely free to start. You don't need to pay any fee to create a YouTube account. And YouTube is actually one of it could actually be a very powerful asset for your business. If you are looking to start up any sort of online business, you could actually start up a YouTube channel, and by putting out lots of content, you could pretty much promote anything you want online. So that's a very great way to get started if you are on a rather low budget. But the other method is doing paid traffic. Paid traffic, the benefit with that is that it's generally a lot faster. Compared to like YouTube, where you have to take the time to really build it up. You can't just expect to put up one video right away and have lots of traffic coming in. With paid traffic, you could actually spend a certain amount on traffic, and then you could have a specific amount of people coming to your offer right away. So what you could actually do, and this is something really cool that I wanted to share with you. Let's say that I were to promote like the flat belly fix, right? So one sale of this would get me $42.16 per sale. They've got some average rebill of like 1% or something like that. But if I go to flat belly fix, if I open up this link in another tab here, what I could actually do is I can copy this link here. Let me pause this video real quick. If I copy this link here, the flatbellyfix.com. Yeah, I just copy this link here. And what I could do right now is I can go over to a site called similarweb.com. And what this is going to do is it's going to show me where a lot of the traffic for this offer is actually coming from. So the reason why this is actually so powerful is you could actually see exactly what other affiliates are doing to actually promote this particular product. So what you could do is you can go over to SimilarWeb, you just paste in the link here, flatbellyfix.com, you click on search, and it'll actually show the results for, hold on, let me try something here. I don't think you're supposed to copy the HTTPS part, but if you just copy this and you try entering that again, it will actually show the website results that it, okay, it looks like it's loading up now, but it shows the analytics, it shows where the actual, a lot of these traffic is coming from. So it shows it by, by country, global rank, like it shows like the amount of people that have been going to that offer. If I scroll down a bit more, I will see, how many visits it's gotten in total over the last 6 months. So this is both with desktop and mobile traffic. It shows total visits, 483,000 in the last 6 months. It shows like what percent the traffic is coming from, what location. Over 50% is coming from US. 7% is coming from Canada. 5.8 is coming from India. 3.46 from United Kingdom, so on and so forth. And then from here you could see exactly where, what traffic sources are being used to promote this particular offer. So we've got direct, referrals, search, social, and mail, and then we've got display, which it looks like in this case, display traffic is where, it looks like most of the traffic for this offer here is actually coming from display traffic. So what you could do is you could scroll down a bit more. It shows a few referring sites, and then it shows in terms of like, in terms of search, 100% organic. If I scroll down a bit more here. So in terms of social, it shows most of the traffic for this offer is coming from YouTube, which should tell you that YouTube is a very great traffic source to use if you are looking to promote Flatbelly Fix. If you want to create videos on YouTube, you could do that. You could create videos about, what this product is all about. You could explain more about, you could take time to really learn about it. You can go through the video. You could choose to actually pick it up and test it out for yourself. And then you could choose to create videos on that. Or what you could also do is you could scroll down a bit more, and this is where the display advertising portion comes in, and this shows where a lot of the traffic is coming from. So in this case, it shows, let me see here, so we've got most of it looks like it's coming from Clickbank. So in this case, it would be like, people that are going on Clickbank and looking through it from there. But then you've got some traffic coming from MGID, we've got Nativo, Pop Cash, Pop Ads, and then in the pink is Other. I could choose to look up any of these platforms for myself. And like, say if I want to look up Nativo, it's not letting me highlight it for some reason, but I'm going to try looking that up myself. Nativo, the leading native advertising platform. So what you could do is you could actually choose to create an ad on Nativo.com, and you could choose to promote this product here, the Flatbelly Fix. So you could take an image of the product. You can get like a picture of this like a certain point of this video. You could use that in your ad. You could create text about it, and then you could pretty much set up a full ad like that. And then within maybe 24 hours, within like a few days, you could have a certain amount of clicks going straight to the Flatbelly Fix offer. These are people that you could target based on their interests, likely based on their location as well. And if they are interested in actually picking up that product, then you would get a commission for every single sale that you make. Now that isn't to say that if you put in a certain amount of money here and you just set up an ad that it's guaranteed that you're just going to make money right away, because with any type of advertising platform, it takes skills to really learn how to actually set up an ad that will actually get you results. Your first ad that you set up on, this platform or any of these other advertising platforms here, they may not get you results right away. And if they don't get you results right away, I wouldn't get discouraged. As long as you keep trying, you keep, tweaking your ad, you change up the image if you have to, maybe tweak something in the text. But as long as you do that consistently, I mean, you could literally you could literally start producing sales literally just by doing this method right here. And what's cool about this is that you don't even have to really, with this strategy here, you don't even have to create videos. You don't have to really put yourself out there. You don't really have to create lots of content. You could literally promote a product, any product that you want to, just by using these paid advertising platforms. And you could just set up ads this way. You could send them to the offer that you want to promote. Of course, I would recommend getting them into your email list first. You set up a landing page. In fact, the one that I personally use is called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels.com. That's actually the landing page builder, or the sales funnel builder that I use personally. There's plenty of other ones out there, but ClickFunnels is actually what I use to build out sales funnels. And then anytime you send them to a landing page, they opt in to request more information, then you could choose to send them straight to the offer. And even if they don't buy right away, then you could at least follow up with them, over and over and over again. You can get them back to the offer. You could provide them with more value on what the product is all about. And this is pretty much how affiliate marketing really works. This is really how you get started on Clickbank. It's really not that complicated. You just find products that you feel could really you could actually promote, that you feel could be passionate about. And as long as you do this consistently and you get your message in front of the right people, then this can allow you to actually start getting sales on Clickbank. But that's pretty much my video there. I hope you found this helpful. If you've got value out of this video, be sure to give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. Feel free to leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on this particular video here. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and if you'd like to learn more about how you could build an online business, you want to learn how to create passive income for yourself, and you want to really learn how to create that lifestyle of freedom, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. That will give you access to my free training I put together. That is a free 4-day training that goes over the 4 main components on how to really build a business through affiliate marketing. So it really goes over the 4 main components of what it is that you need to have in place in order to really have long-term success with affiliate marketing. So the truth is, only a few things matter when it comes to affiliate marketing or anything really. And as long as you focus on these specific things, then this is what's going to allow you to have long-term success with affiliate marketing. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.